not carrying around a plant, so I'm not going to be doing that part either. Macy, sit down. Alright, quiet. Let's do that part again. Shh. You noisy. Posted. That didn't make sense. And nope. Amino acids. You're in my video. There you go. I'm in the way now. You know you're going to be featured in my bloopers doing this, right? It's Macy! Hi, baby! Hi, baby girl! You in my video? Hi, monkey! Hello! You're in my video.
You're in my video.
I can't cut this part out. What are you trying to do? Be one of those flying men thingy, the outside the car showroom things.
That was a fucking sentence. You can make that an episode. Husband annoys me when I'm doing makeup. So.
I'm about to cut all of this out. I don't understand brickwork, babe. Oh, I think I used the wrong colour.
What's it for?
My bad. I did too.
They're fossils.
What does that mean?
Oh.
Wait! Evie! So you don't miss a... La la la. Stuffed up. Shh. Oh no, I should put stuff on my lips. Oh, I forgot I had these here. A colour. Oh, pardon me. Is sample Sunday. Actually, the next. No. I did have to break apart this part that goes above your lip. I'll put it back there because it kept falling down onto my lips and disrupting me from drinking my coffee, which is not allowed on a Saturday. Jump. And guys, as a la 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 la, thanks for what la 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 your la fucking hell. You can stay there and watch me.
Yeah.
Okay, it's my la la la.
My mother-in-law's standing there watching me.
Well, on like spot concealing, but it came off. Morgan, you're walking in my video. Button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to